Welcome to today's spotlight on the Cuaulans Pendant Lights Kitchen Island 3-pack featuring modern chrome cylinders with crystal bubble designs. These stylish pendant lights combine polished chrome bases, aluminum tubes, and acrylic bubble crystals for a high-class, avant-garde look. Each light uses 5-watt LED chips that emit a soothing 3000K warm light, creating a comfortable atmosphere while protecting your eyes. Installation is a breeze with 90% of the assembly already completed and all hardware included for quick setup. The compact dimensions make these fixtures perfect for kitchens, dining rooms, bars, bedrooms, and hallways. Their versatile design complements various decor styles, enhancing any space with modern elegance. Experience the perfect blend of style and function with these stunning pendant lights. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.